Now the first model is over, means we have solved the problem if q of x equal to e power x, means different problems I have taken. How to solve the problem if q of x appears e power x, if it is in that form, then you need to calculate complementary function and particular integral. Particular integral is e power ax form and complementary functions are different types. It depends on the roots of the auxiliary equation. Now the focus on if q of x equal to, if it is in the form of sin bx or cos bx, means cos 2x, sin 3x, cos 5x, if it is like this, then how should I solve the problem? Now on that method, solve the first problem. Already I discussed this method. If it is cos bx and sin bx, what are the problems? Means technique. Solve the differential equation d square minus 4d plus 3 into y equal to cos 2x. Now observe the problem 1 and a problem 2. In both the differential equations, RHS side is e power 2x is there. Means we have solved e power x problem. Now I am solving cos 2x, sin 3x, this type of problems. Only you have to focus on RHS side. The RHS side is very, very important. Now in every problem, complementary function is same technique we are following for every, only you have to focus on the particular integral, right? Different models are there. Now again this differential equation, it is in the form of f of d into y equal to q of x, where f of d equal to d square minus 4d plus 3, q of x equal to cos 2x. Now again to solve this differential equation, means a general solution containing two parts, complementary function and particular integral. In every problem, you first of all you calculate complementary function. To calculate the complementary function, you should consider auxiliary equation. That auxiliary equation is f of m equal to 0. Now f of m equal to 0, m square minus 4m plus 3 equal to 0. When you are factorizing, when you are splitting the middle term, I got the two factors m minus 1 into m minus 3 equal to 0. Therefore, I got the roots m equal to 1 and m equal to 3. Therefore, these two are real numbers and different. By using the formula complementary function yc equals to c1 e power x plus c2 e power 3x. This is the complementary function. Now particular integral yp equal to, and observe this one, complementary function is denoted by yc, particular integral is denoted by y suffix p, yp. When I am writing yp means you have to understand that is particular integral. 1 by f of d into q of x, this is the general formula. 1 by d square minus 4d plus 3 into cos 2x. Then this is the particular integral formula. Now if sin 2x or cos 3x or cos 5x, if it is like that, replace d square by minus of that coefficient square. Means the formula is cos bx or sin bx, replace d square by minus b square. Now what is the coefficient of x here? 2. Means replace d square by minus 2 square. Means the final answer is replace d square by minus 4. Now I am substituting here 1 by minus 4 minus 4d plus 3 into cos 2x. Then finally I got here after simplification 1 by minus 4d minus 1 into cos 2x minus 1 by 4d plus 1 into cos 2x. I have taken minus common, then I am writing here minus 1 by 4d plus 1 into cos 2x. Means what is my technique? In place of denominator, if you got, means if you observed d square, replace d square by minus 4. Means now in place of denominator I have only d term. Means you convert that d term also in terms of d square. How should I convert? By rationalization. Means 4d minus 1 multiply and divide with 4d minus 1. What is the rationalized factor of the denominator? 4d plus 1 is denominator factor, right? Rationalized factor of 4d plus 1 is 4d minus 1. That's why I multiply and divide with 4d minus 1. Therefore, minus of 4d minus 1, already minus is there, 4d plus 1 into 4d minus 1 into cos 2x. Now a plus b into a minus b is nothing but a square minus b square minus 1 into 4d minus 1 by 16d square minus 1 into cos 2x. Again, replace d square by minus 4, means 16 into minus 2 square means minus 64 minus 1 minus 65, then 4d minus 1 into cos 2x, minus minus cancel, 1 by 65, 4d into cos 2x. D means already I told you capital D is differential operator, means differentiation with respect to x. Differentiation of cos 2x is minus 2 sin 2x, minus 2 into 4 is minus 8 sin 2x minus cos 2x. Therefore, the final answer is minus common, minus 1 by 65 into 8 sin 2x plus cos 2x. This is the particular integral formula, means I calculated like this particular integral. The general solution of this differential equation is y equal to yc plus yp. Therefore, yc equal to c1 e power x plus c2 e power 3x minus 1 by 65 into 8 sin 2x plus cos 2x. This is the final answer of the differential equation.